Hello guys, we are back. In this video we're going to style this page like this demo page, and we're just going to start from the heading. We can see that after heading we have a lot of space, but we didn't have here. So first of all we have to just add the padding bottom to the header. To do this I am just open my style sheet, and in the h1 tag I'm just going to change the padding bottom to 15 pixel. I think it will work fine. Let's check. Yes, it's working good, but I think we need more padding down there, and that's why I'm adding 20 pixel. I think now it's going to work fine. Okay, we got this, and after that in this portion, author and social portion, we have two borders, one top one bottom, and I'm just going to add this border right now. And to do this I have to select this area first. Let's check the code. Okay, we just try to shrink them, then we can find our content area easily. Here it is, content top. I got this class content top. Now declare a css style for that, dot content top curly braces, and add border bottom 1px solid. Color will be a light color. I'm going to use a very light gray color. You can try another one, and also need a bottom to replace with top. Okay, let's test this on browser. Yes, we got two border, but now we need to do something with padding stuff. I'm just going to add some padding for that. Padding top bottom will be 15 pixel, and left right, let's check this. There is any padding? No, there is no padding on left right, so left it to 0. Now sorry, I reload the wrong page. Here it is. Yes, it's look pretty much good. Okay, it will work fine. Now we need to add some margin after this, around 20 pixel, same as after the header. Okay, let's do that. Margin bottom 20 pixel. I think it will work fine. Yeah, definitely it worked fine, but there is something we have to work with. We have to add some margin for okay, let's see. Yes, it's working, but that is too much. I have to do this to 20 pixel by 10 pixel. Okay, now check this. Yeah, good. Little bit. I just want to want this bottom border to align with this picture down there, and to do this I'm trying to do this. Okay, here we got the margin. Okay, now reduce this margin to 0. Oh, it matched perfectly when I put the margin 0 for left and right. We don't need any margin there. Okay, good. Now it's working fine. Now I'm just going to change the text color and style look like this, and for that I have to do some changes, make some changes, like need to change the color of author name, and need this date a little bolder. Right now it's not bold. To do this I just have to take this post info, and after that post info there is a span. I have to trigger this span for color this part text. Okay, here I got post, and inside that span I need it to be color. Okay, I got the color here. Good. And font width need to be 400. Good. Let's see. Yeah, we get a good result, but the font width is not matched. I need to change it. 700 will be the bold one. That too much complicated to match. Okay, it will work fine. I think it's no more bold, and the medial size of this. So I'm just going to the Google and take a medial size for that. Here is the medium, but I didn't get that medium size. Okay, 500. We're just using a regular font there, and don't worry about that. I have to give them 500 width, and it will work fine. Yes, it's worked fine now. Okay, now I need to make this font to bold, and need to push a little bit upper. I don't want this gap here. There is a gap, but there is no gap enough, so I need to adjust with the demo design. For triggering this paragraph, we have this paragraph here, but I need to declare one more style here. That name, date, p date. That means a post date. Okay, you can name it whatever you want to name. It really doesn't matter. Yeah, also okay, don't need to do this. Just font width need to be 500. I'm just copy this style, and I need to add some line height. Line height need to be 1 em. Let's check this. Yes, it's working fine now. Okay, after that I think we need to reduce the total font size, because the font looks good bigger. So font size, if I change the font size from post info, then all font will be changed, because post info class is included to everywhere of this. So I'm just going to add the font size here. Just bottom the margin. The font size will be 0.9 em. It's a percentage measurement for web development. Okay, cool. It's not looking great as same as this. Perfect. Now I'm going to work with the right hand sidebar, because here we need a border left line like this, and all that headings and the text need to be placed perfectly, and I'm going to do this, and that's why I'm just need to take the right sidebar. I can't remember the class I'm declared for the right sidebar. I need to check this. Okay, here is the left sidebar complete. Here is the right sidebar. I didn't put any class, so I just write SID right sidebar. I'm just name it to right sidebar, and I'm just going to give some style for that. Okay, now first I have to add a border left, 1 pixel solid, and the same color for I used before for make the border a light gray color. Okay, let's see what we got here. Yes, the line is too thin, I cannot see this. Okay, here is a thing we have to take care of. Okay, I need to make this line more bold right now, and for that I give it thickness 2 pixel, and here also the 2 pixels, and need to change the margin from here. I don't need the top margin 20 pixels, so I reduce it, and then right will be 0 pixel, and the left will be 20 pixel, and also the left will be bottom will be 20 pixel. Good, I think it will work fine right now. Let's check this. Oh, again, not again, man, I did it every time. And sorry for that. Yes, now it's look like pretty much same. Okay, fine. Now I think I need to make this border more dark. Yes. Okay, I'm just take the color from here, from the dummy. Good. Sorry, something. Shit. CF. Okay, I got the color CF. So I replace them with the light gray color. Good. Let's see. Okay, it's look good. Now I have to reduce the thickness because I think the thickness is too big. I need to reduce it to 1 pixel. Good, now it's look like great mean as I want it to be. Cool. Okay, okay, now I have to work with the right sidebar title, and I did this same header 3 for all right sidebar title, and sorry, I use header 4, and I'm going to design this. Okay, S4. Now I just need to change the color. Okay, and the color, and shit, not again. Again, sorry for that. Okay, I got the color for the same color for the sidebar header. Now I'm going to add a, so what do we need to next? A bottom border of this header, so border bottom 2px solid with the same color F 494. Okay, I got this, but we need a little space between the text, header text, and the border. So I add a little padding there. Padding bottom to 5 pixel. It will be fine. So guys, now we have to design this right sidebar image and text, and I think we need to make some changes in HTML. Then we are just going to use some Bootstrap things for designing this element. Okay, so our image here, our image, so there is 2 paragraph. I'm just want to use list order and unordered list item. So first I call a unordered list with a class poster, WRAPPR, and a class with row. I need some list item, 2 list item exactly. So one with class call, just 4 first time. Let's check what happened. We can change anytime this into 2. So 2, 1, 4, and another will be 8. So first I am just going to cut the image from this place and paste it to first column 4 class, and after that I take the paragraph tag and paste into column 8. Okay, let's see what we got in front page. Okay, right now we get the image aligned. We need to make some changes there with this dot button is not looking so good, this dot sign, and that's why we have to change the class name. Maybe I declared before, and sidebar poster will be the class, and after that it will be work fine, not poster wrapper, sidebar poster. Okay, I'm just rename the class. I already write some CSS code for this class, and it's here. You can see margin and padding 0, and for the UL under the LI, the list item will be also 0, and that's all. I got everything what I need to make this look beautiful. Okay, I think it's worked fine, and I have to do the same thing for the second second post. Okay, now to do this I'm just declare another UL with a class sidebar poster and a row followed by 2 list item with class call 4 and 2 times, that means 2 column, 2 list item. Okay, I got the list item first one and second one also. First I'm take the image, and second I'm taking this paragraph. It make my workflow more easier. I have to write less CSS and using some Bootstrap stuff here that easily can anyone access from Bootstrap. Okay, it look pretty much good, but I don't think so. Sorry, it looks so weird. I have to change something, like this one to 8, and now great. It's look great now. Pretty much same to. Okay, we need a border right and between these 2 posts, and need to change this color of the link. Okay, fine. Now let's do that. So there is no class for this link. I'm just create a class for the link down below, and then design them with the same code. So CLASS class read more. Okay, I give the class read more for the read more button or read more link, so I can easily access and make some design for. Okay, dot read more, read followed with a dash, and now I'm giving him some color and color. And another thing I have to do here, font width need to be 500. Okay, now it's going to work perfectly, I think. Okay, fine. We got the effect. The hover effect is not look pretty much, and we cannot see the hover effect also here, and that's why we cannot tell you the exact thing how the hover going to work. I think we need to make this text a little larger. It's looks so smaller here, and okay, I have to align them. There is a pretty much work left, so the growth secret. Okay, now we get these, and after that we have to work with the border thing. So I find an easier way to do this. No CSS code, just a HTML tag called ASR tag. That means horizontal line. Okay, I didn't see that line. Oh, I think it. Okay, I got a terrible mistake there. Okay, now I think it's going to be work there. Okay, it worked fine. Now I got that border also, this one, and now I'm going to work with the trending. And before trending we need some extra space, nothing else. And after that we make this padding a little bit. We have to add a little more padding for each image, and we have to color this star, and anything going to be fine. Oh, there is some hi hello, I have to remove them. Sorry, that was a test purpose. I was paste those code. Unfortunately I don't want to paste them. Anyway, now it's look good. Now I am going to color the star and add some little more space here, and rest of the thing will be work fine for me. Okay, so in this area, trading area, so we have an image and a paragraph tag, in image and a paragraph tag. So we can add some br tag for line break, that we can get some more extra space between these two line, and great, they look so pretty, and pretty much same as the design concept. Okay, that looks pretty good right now. And now I have to do color this star right now. To color them, I need to trigger the star, and for triggering them I just want to declare a class for that span. So name the class is star. Okay, good. So I get the star, and under star I take all I tag and give them a color to that color, kind of orange color, or you can also call it the Trump color. Some people make jokes of Trump. Okay, they got everything colored that, and I don't want to color everything like this. Okay, I just do extra bit of work to make them more visible to all. Okay, fine. Now I think now it's going to work, but I think now it's going to work. Yes, it's work fine right now. And the size of the star is a little bit smaller. I have to make the star a little bit smaller, so I need to change the font color. Font size, sorry, not font color. Font size need to be 0.9 em, and I think it's going to work fine. Oh, it's look great. And little smaller. So, and padding on bottom, no, okay, padding bottom is 10 pixel. Okay, now I think it's going to look pretty much beautiful. Okay, I don't want to check the mail right now. Okay, that's work fine. And okay, let's work with the main product name, and make the link more visible and beautiful, look like this one. To do this, we have to trigger the link, and we may already make a class for that link. I can remember, and the link was a underscore link, the class name. I have to trigger the link. Okay, and add some CSS. The color will be the same as that one. And another two thing I have to add, that is font width to be 700, and another one is text decoration will be need underline. Good. Now I think it's going to look like same as, okay, pretty much same, but then color need to be the red. I got a mistake here, and it need to be red, sorry, red. Wow. And I think they look like same, and I have to increase the font size of all paragraph tag into this page without this one. Okay, and to do this I have to trigger a paragraph tag before that paragraph tag. So p date, p post info, now paragraph tag, the font width will be 1.1 em. Let's check what we got. No, not so much. I need to increase this a little bit, or two. I don't think so it's gonna affect. I have to increase, I have to add a special important. Okay, now it's going to take, still not working. I don't know why. Shit, that I make a terrible mistake, and that's why it's not working that way. Okay, now I'm test 1, not so cool, 1.1. okay, it's look great with 1.1. Okay, I'm going to keep the 1.1, but the not font width, font size, and I'm so sorry for that. Cool. And I need to increase the body font size a little bit, and that's why I have to trigger the main left side bar and body. So do this, just have to take the class for the body. Oh no, okay, row, say content top. Okay, fine. There is I am going to add a class main body, so that would be body, and I'm going to give some style to the main body CSS, and that will be dot main body and all p tag is followed by the main body tag, and that will be font size little bit bigger, it can be 1.2 em. I don't know what it's gonna affect and how. Oh, I don't know why not working. Important. Okay, now it's look pretty much same as this, but I have to reduce some font width. Okay, so I have to declare this. Okay, fine, and font width will be 300. Okay, I need a thinner font here, and I got the thinner font. So what do you think? Okay, our text is looking so much great. Now I have to work with the headers, this one and this one and this one and this one. Okay, so let's see what where I have to change what. This one is we declare, let's see, maybe h3, and after that one maybe the h2. Yes, the h2, and h3 will be a more smaller font, so do this here, h2 for that font size, font size will be 1 em. Let's see what effect with 1 em. This is too much smaller. I need a little bigger, so I am going to increase the font size to 1 em to 1.2 em, still smaller, 3 and 4. I think 4 will be going fine, and font width will be 700, a little bolder. I think it worked fine. A little bolder, but the font size need to be more bigger. 1.5 will be the perfect size for that. Yes, and not so bolder like that. 600 will be work fine. Okay, that's the measurement I got, and I think it's perfect. There maybe needs some changes, and it totally depends upon my client, how he's going to look this view, and we got all our font size pretty much the same, so little bolder, but color need to be changed, and there is and that need to be bolder. Too much good. Okay, fine. So make this font width to 700 back, and the font color need to be changed. I'm going to get the color from the sample, and I'm going to use the color to, good, I got this 3C, 3C, 3C. That's the pretty much beautiful color. Okay, fine. Just make some adjustment here. Okay, and the color should be 3C, 3C, 3C. Okay, let's check this out. It's look more beautiful right now, that we can think. And okay, now work with the h3 tag top under the image, and then we are going to make this ant bolder. And okay, now just I need to watch see the text here. Okay, fine, good. The font size will be 1.2. Yeah, that's perfect. And the font width uh, where is the width will be 700, and need to change the color to be 3F, and need a padding for top and bottom will be 20 pixel, and left and right will be 0. Okay, it's looking at exactly our demo, so don't worry, we got the perfect thing here. So let's create the h3. I don't know the h3 class, I need the element h3, and I think pretty much work great here. Right now you can see that all we got pretty much same. Now we need to make some adjustment later, and that will be depends upon my client. If you want any change there, I have to make myself. Okay, there we got a problem, and the font size is increased with that font size, and I have to reduce them. And how can I do that? I can do that various different way, but now I'm going to see the what class I'm declaring here. There is all classes, no element tag mainly, and that's why I'm going to change the paragraph tag to span, and that's why I can easily target the class, not the paragraph tag, span, and need a second span here, and after that it's going to work beautifully, I think. Yes, that's looking so very much perfect right now. And here we have done our beautiful landing page. Okay, look, all link are colored the same. We are just doing some stuff, the hover thing later depends on my client, because he give me only a screenshot that doesn't show the hover thing. He can told me exactly how the hover color going to look. It's not, if he don't like the blue one, we are going to change that blue color to another color, whatever he want. Okay, I'm just going to show you how to do this. For the link color, I'm just going to change this blue color to the orange color or the Trump color. You know, to do this, I'm going to take the a link. Okay, copy this and remove those two style. Just need to change the color, and just right after the class name add a clone and add a hover, is hover. That means this style going to affect the hover. When the link is hovered by mouse, the color is going to be changed, and that color, Trump color, is here, or the orange color. Okay, now check this out. I think it will be work perfectly, look like great, and everything is the same perfect order. I think we need some padding stuff after that h2 tag, so let's see that. Okay, they need a little padding top, not bottom exactly, so I'm going to add a margin to top the h2 tag, and everything will be set and ready for go. So where is the h2 tag? Is top, add a margin top, and that will be 15 pixel, and I think it's going to work perfectly. If not, we're going to change the measurement. Okay, don't worry about that. Oh, I don't think so. They take the Okay, now we put this to 30 pixel, and our site is looking great right now, and we have done this successfully. And after this lesson, this video, the next video, we are going to create the footer portion of here, and I'll be come here after when I complete the HTML thing. I think it will be too much boring for you. I'll do the CSS thing with you with the next video. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this so much. Please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon after subscribing, because that's how you will never miss any of my video that will be help you with your career web development career. So thank you again. Okay.